everyone! I got a new toy from the mail. This toy is called Happy Farm Magnets. It's an educational and creative toy. Looking at this box, it's very durable and has a really nice picture on it. Aside from the box, there's also a protective plastic around it. These heavy-duty toys have no sharp edges so that kids can play with them safely. They're solid and not easy to bend. Can be used over and over again. The toy has 3 farm-themed scenarios. This box has a reversible magnetic board. It has 1 erasable marker pen, there are 2 triangle brackets, these are creative reference cards. There are pictures on both sides, front and back. The toy contains many small parts, so it's recommended for ages 3 and above. These are our magnetic puzzles. We have different animals and some plants as well, some insects. There's also a cute magnetic piece of a girl and a boy, and I think this is a farmer. Different types of fruits as well as vegetables. Inserting the 2 brackets, we can use them to put the reversible magnetic board. Using the magnet, you can tack on the creative reference card on the magnetic board. The patterned side of the board is used to play magnetic puzzles, and there's also the white side, which is used for drawing. Each piece of the puzzle is magnetic and can also be used on refrigerators and other magnetic items. This puzzle toy will attract your kids to play and helps them in learning as well as their imagination. It's very convenient because you can play it at home or you can easily bring it outdoors. That's it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed today's toy. Please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!